Hey everybody, I'm Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just doing a quick flight of the DJI Avata. Do a first flight in my backyard. My uncle just finished mowing the grass, so as you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff being blown up because I'm only flying at 6 inches off the ground or so. At least that's what the sensor was telling me. I just wanted to explore. I'm flying around my parents' house, taking it out there. You can see the dynamic range is really good. Just trying to find little gaps. And I'm just flying with the DJI motion controller, basically the kit. You know, this drone is about 3 inches, so it's a little bit larger than my 2.5 inch Pavo, but I feel so much more comfortable flying this around. I don't know if it's the motion controller that makes it easy. I remember taking like a year to like literally get the balls to fly next to the car, and this one I just point and shoot and it just flies. I think the stabilization using Gyroflow helps quite a bit, and yeah, it's so much fun that I forgot that all of a sudden here in the back it started to say return to home because I was low on battery and I was able to turn it off, but luckily I was able to save myself and now I'm gonna fly back. So anyway, so far good experience. You should definitely look into Gyroflow and flying with image stabilization off for your first flight. If there's anything you guys want to see specifically with the DJI Avata, please leave a comment below. Other than that, you guys fly safe, be safe. See you guys next time. Bye.